Have you ever tried using ChatGPT to create content to promote affiliate products on your websites? Well, you wouldn't believe the results that my buddy Chris is getting doing exactly just that. In fact, he just launched this course today called AI Affiliate Suite, which is going to give you a step-by-step method on how to take your products that you're promoting and rank them on the first page of Google. Hey everyone, Ryan Nielsen here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. Again, I'm here today to tell you about a new product called AI Affiliate Suite that just launched. And inside of AI Affiliate Suite, you're going to learn how to climb the SERPs with ChatGPT, which is search engine results pages. You can generate game-changing WordPress affiliate review websites and boost your earnings. So this is a very small window of a promotional launch that just launched today and ends Friday the 19th of May at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So at any time during this review of AI Affiliate Suite, if you want to go ahead and pick up your copy, just click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly to this bonus page, which if you click on any of the yellow buttons, it will take you directly here to the sales page. And you can go ahead and get your copy there. There's Chris. And I've already given you the price, $12.95. So now you know it's a bargain. Let's take a look at it in more detail. It's a course, and inside of this course, it's going to show you how affiliate marketers how they can build WordPress affiliate websites using 100% AI content from ChatGPT that ranks in search engines. AI Affiliate Suite shows specific prompts to use to build in-depth informational articles and product reviews that follows Google guidelines. Users will see step-by-step how to use ChatGPT to choose a domain, categories for your websites, all the necessary legal pages, as well as product reviews and informational type content, all structured around Google's guidelines that rank. Here it is. The front end for AI Affiliate Suite is only $12.95. Here's what the training videos include. And there's the OTOs, and we're not going to get into that just yet. I'm going to go ahead and show you what you're going to get by taking a look inside of the members area. After you get your copy and you get your purchase secured and you get your login credentials, you'll have this welcome page here congratulating you on your purchase of AI Affiliate Suite. And Chris is going to invite you to join his Facebook group. And then here is a breakdown of all the videos that are inside of the training. The future of affiliate marketing, exploring AI tools, web hosting, pick a domain name, installing WordPress settings, set up WordPress categories, creating website pages, creating informational posts, Google's guidelines, creating product reviews, creating AI images, installing a done-for-you theme, and building authority. A couple of these towards the end are related to the OTOs, which I'm going to get to in a little bit. But as you can see, it's fully comprehensive training, and it's fully equipped to show you everything you need to know from beginning to end on how to rank your product reviews on the first page of Google. And as we saw earlier, it's only $12.95. And it comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Just wanted to say that. We're going to get to my bonuses in a little bit later, but I want to go ahead and show you the one-time offers. One-time offer number one is Redirect Guard, which is $37, a short link shortening WordPress plugin designed specifically for affiliate marketers. And it's going to help you create short and brandable affiliate links. It'll increase clicks, affiliate sales, and growth by leveraging optimized trackable affiliate links. And using this, you can install it on your WordPress plugin on up to 10 domains. And it's specifically for affiliate marketers. So if you're not an affiliate marketer, this may not be applicable to you. but it's regularly $97, and he'll give you one-time payment for only $37 if you pay for it for $37. You don't have to do any subscriptions like a lot of these other places have to, do to help you create short links, like Bitly. If you want to do the super professional version, they want $348 annually, and Pretty Links wants $199 annually. You're going to get something very similar just by spending a one-time payment of $37 so that you can create brandable short links for your affiliate offers. One-time offer number 2 is expired domains, which this is a video series that shows where to buy and how to use expired domains quickly to build an authoritative website that ranks and brings traffic. Bonus OTO number 3 is Done For You Theme Bundle, which is mentioned in the front-end training, but it kind of gives you an idea what you're going to be in store for if you decide to pick up this collection of 54 done-for-you WordPress niche web templates to help you quickly get your sites up running. And this is kind of what it looks like if you weren't getting this on the launch. And these are examples of all the niches. So a lot of you may be interested in having more than just one website and more than just one niche. And this is going to give you a jump start. I can already see, just looking at it right now, I can already see 3 or 4 different niches that I'm interested in addition to the make money online niche, which falls under internet marketing. There's just a lot in here. So, and it just keeps going on and on. So those are the OTOs. Now I'm sure you're probably wondering about the bonuses. Yes, there always is bonuses. For me, there always are bonuses from me anytime you get any product that I promote. And this one is a really great offer, and these bonuses are going to make it magic. I'm sure you're going to love this. So the first bonus is desktop vertical video, which is a full training on how to create shorts from your laptop. You don't have to use your phone, your iPhone, to create shorts. You can actually use this training and create vertical videos from your laptop. And there's so much more. Bonus number 2 is the ultimate Facebook traffic trick. This is going to show you how to create traffic magnets and get free targeted traffic on Facebook. Bonus number 3 is the internet marketing class for busy people. It's a masterclass consisting of 19 videos. It's going to show you how to understand and get into internet marketing at any level. If you're still working, this is good for the workplace. If you're not working and you want to do this as a full-time job, then this is really good training for you as well. Bonus number 4 is effortless video editing. It's a complete training course on editing videos. And then bonus number 5 is usually the vendor bonuses, but I don't think Chris has any, so I popped in a couple of surprise bonuses inside of the vendor bonus area so that you can pick those up as well. I didn't want to distract you from getting in on this opportunity and taking advantage of it, because you only have a 14-day money-back guarantee, and at any time you can go ahead and scoop up my bonuses afterwards. But my first thing is I want you to understand that you have time to check out the actual training for this course, which is AI Affiliate Suite. So once you decide to buy this, click the link in the description below this video, take you to this bonus page, where you can just go ahead and click on these yellow buttons. It will take you directly to the sales page, where you will perform your transaction on the actual sales page, where you get the yellow button here, get access now. And then once you get it, then your Warrior Plus account is going to send you a message, and as well as Chris. Chris is going to send you one message telling you how to access the site where the courses are. And then Warrior Plus is going to give you your login credentials. So just keep in mind there's going to be 2 separate emails for that. So that's all I have. I wanted to make this kind of short and sweet and to the point. It's kind of late tonight, and I'm tired. I've had a long day, but I really appreciate you taking the time to stay to the end, and I know you won't be disappointed with this. I think this is an amazing value, and I just wanted to make sure that I got this out before I went to sleep tonight. So again, thank you so much, and I hope that you will like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell if you like what you see here, so that you'll be notified of all of my upcoming digital, informational, software products, and reviews and trainings.